Sure, here are 20 quotes about happiness. 1. The purpose of our lives is to be happy. Dalai Lama. 2. Happiness is a warm puppy. Charles M. Schulz. 3. Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. Albert Schweitzer. 4. The happiest people don't have the best of everything, they make the best of everything. Unknown. 5. Happiness is not by chance, but by choice. Jim Rohn. 6. Happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony. Mahatma Gandhi. 7. The best way to predict the future is to create it. Abraham Lincoln. 8. Happiness is a journey, not a destination. Ben Sweetland. 9. Happiness is the art of never holding in your mind the memory of any unpleasant thing that has passed. Unknown. 10. The only thing that will make you happy is being happy with who you are. Goldie Hawn. 11. The grand essentials of happiness are something to do, something to love, and something to hope for. Alan K. Chalmers. 12. The greatest happiness you can have is knowing that you do not necessarily require. 13. Happiness. William Saroyan. Happiness is a choice. You can choose to be happy. There's going to be stress in life, but it's your choice whether you let it affect you or not. Valerie Bertinelli. 14. Happiness is not a goal, it is a byproduct. Eleanor Roosevelt. 15. Happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony. Mahatma Gandhi. 16. Happiness is letting go of what you think your life is supposed to look like and celebrating it for everything that it is. Mandy Hale. 17. The secret to happiness is freedom. And the secret to freedom is courage. Thucydides. 18. Happiness is not in the mere possession of money, it lies in the joy of achievement, in the thrill of creative effort. Franklin D. Roosevelt. 19. Happiness is not something you postpone for the future, it is something you design for the present. Jim Rohn. 20. Happiness is not a state to arrive at, but a manner of traveling. Margaret Lee Runbeck. I hope these quotes bring some happiness to your day. Thank you.